Can you tell me all the subjects?
Computer, Hindi, English, science, mathematics, social studies, general knowledge,
Okay. Okay.
GK,
What is the name of your Hindi book?
Umangdeep Jyoti.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. From where I got these study material of all the subjects?
She's in St. Xavier's ICSE board, so that was also one of my question that how it will be conducted because till third we were like joined some home tutors only, so no online tuitions were done. But this time I am finding someone who can teach us online, like sitting at home. So that was also one of my question that how you people will teach and how you will get this material.
Actually, ma'am, I have asked the same question from Sabhi Padho Padhao team. They have told me that they will provide the study material, and please, you can confirm that.
Okay, right. So
Yes, ma'am.
no worries,
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
confirm that. So what we will be doing today? You will be teaching something, or it is a kind of introduction only?
It is a kind of introduction class only, ma'am.
Okay. So then how can I finalize that I am okay with the session or is my daughter is comfortable learning because until unless I will not have at least one topic to be covered that she understands pretty well, then only I can understand that yes, I need to join this session or not, right?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
what is
Let
going
me
to happen?
ask. Let me ask the team firstly, and then maybe after that they will give me the topic or something else regarding the material. Then I
Okay,
will
so
provide a lesson.
what we can do is you can talk to your team that how the demo need to be conducted. Meanwhile, also ask the concerned person to talk to me so that I can understand how the things are working. Okay, because
Okay, ma'am.
only under the in like only with the introduction I am not going to enroll. Na? I also
Yes, ma'am.
need some kind of at least surety that yes, teacher is teaching. See, I am also a teacher. I
Okay,
am
ma'am.
into IELTS training. I am also running the center online, proper online with the Canada and Australia based student. But my demo is always prepared. I am always there to present and tell the student that see, this is what we are going to do. So
Yes, ma'am.
either ask your team that there should be a proper topic prepared so that I can evaluate and understand how it happens, right? Or we'll arrange it for ask your team to arrange it for tomorrow then because at least you also need some time to prepare the topic, right? So we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
we can fix the demo for tomorrow. You can talk to your team and then you can reconnect me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. By what time?
Tomorrow 4 p.m.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.